Hi guys, I was just gonna head out on my bike and I realized it's not starting. Let me show you. So, this is my bike. Turn on the ignition and so it looks like the battery is down and not started it in a while. I got these jumper cables. They're gonna come in handy, and I'm gonna hook these up to my other bike and try and jumpstart. I'm gonna hook it up to this bike and we're gonna jumpstart this. Connected the wires positive to positive, negative to negative. Let's start this up. Okay, now we're gonna start my bike. Yeah, that's how it's done.